Yo, how's it going? It's Mr.BANKAI here. Today we're gonna be playing some Search and Destroy. We're gonna be using the Hurricane. This is the class setup. We're gonna be using the Can 16-inch barrel. This is a tuning. We're gonna be using the Bruin Pendulum. Tuning. Phase 3 grip. This is a tune. Phantom grip. And Quicksilver stock. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Nigga talking to me from the McDonald's drive-thru.
He flipped a joke on you, bro.
Nigga, say hello. How can I take your order? You fucking flashbang me, bitch. Hell no, we're both flashbang. That nigga was running into the wall. Nigga stupid.
Bro, what the fuck just happened? Like, my bullets just did not go through.
Search and destroy. All Saber, plant a charge on the target and level it. Our UAV is orbiting the area. Hostile quick fix online.
Oh shit, right there.
We took a victory there. Prepare to repeat it. Destroy. All Saber, defend the objective.
If you guys enjoyed watching the content, consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.